Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, maybe even share with a friend. Those really do help out the channel. So today's device I want to share with you is really cool. It is a kind of sky star creating device that is perfect for your kids' room. It makes a wonderful night light, or even you can put it in your living room and your media room and create some cool ambiance while watching TV. But the particular model, my son got this for Christmas and absolutely love it. It's really cool. He loves it. But so the particular model is BlissLights, and this is a Sky Lite version. This is the box it comes in. I'll include a link in the description if you want to check it out for yourself, see what the current price points are, see if it's on sale, all that fun stuff. But, and we'll include some footage halfway through the video here of kind of showing you what it looks like and all the various options. But you're going to have basically a blue nebula field with these little green stars. Yeah, this is the box it comes in. And then once you open it up, you're going to get instructions, which I've seen to misplace, but you really don't need those because everything's pretty straightforward, and I'm going to go over all the options. And then you're going to get a little USB power cord here that plugs just straight into a simple brick. And then this is the device itself. So as you can see, it just sits like so. And you can even have this part so you can kind of angle it a little bit more depending on how your room layout option is. Now on the front here, this part is what causes that kind of blue nebula look. And then this is the laser that causes the little green star. Now obviously you do not want to look straight into the laser. That is not healthy for your eyeballs. So keep that in mind. And then on this side is how you control the devices. And then on the back here is where you plug it in. So let's kind of go over the little options here. To power it on, just hit that power button. And so you can kind of see back here, you've got both of them are on. The green is the laser, the blue is the nebula. If you want to cycle them through those, just hit them again. So that turned off the nebula, that turned off the laser. And then you can hit it again and it fades and turns off. So those are your various power options. Now this button right here is the laser intensity. And it has three modes. It has bright, kind of middle dim, and then soft lighting. So those are the three little options. And then right here, this little pause play button, when you hit that, what it does is it slowly rotates. So you can have it fixed or you can have it slowly rotating so it kind of looks like the stars are moving, like the natural sky, which is really cool. But that's it. It's pretty straightforward. Like I said, you should see some footage kind of now showing you what it all looks like in the options in a dark room. All right, now that you've seen the footage, like I said, it's really cool. I hope it translates well on the camera because it's really cool in person. But feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond. And like I said, I'll include a link in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. And yeah, until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you're a rock star. You made it to the end of the video. Now, if you really want to become a legend, help me out, hit that subscribe button. And then it always helps also if you hit that like button and share these videos. Till the next one, You guys take it easy.